The Pi server supports adding annotations to the record of a Pi tag. So for example, let's say this is something that needs to be annotated with a comment. What I can do is I do have to be in run mode. I can choose show details or just again select this, choose view details. And it's down here, it's this annotation group. Now you do have to select the item that you want to annotate. Okay, you can't just add any timestamp. It's going to be associated with that particular timestamp. Let me make this a little bigger to show you how this works. Now, let's say this peak here was caused by something in the field. So Fred dropped his hat in a slurry. Spike impurities. Anyway, this is going to be added as a string. We could add annotations as other data types. And then in addition to what we store with the annotation here in the server, we can also store a description that's going to be associated with this annotation. So I can say I did this for class. That's not going to be stored on the server. It's just going to be stored as a description on the screen here, or associated with this details pane right here. So I'll go ahead and write that. Now you do have to have permission to write to your Pi server, which is the topic of a completely different course entirely, or System Manager's course. In any case, I was able to write that, and as you can see over here in my display, when I hover this over, I can see the annotation. The annotation is working just fine. It is something that is associated, there we go. It's associated with this Pi tag, so it will be there and backed up with the rest of the data associated with this. And if I were to come back and look at it on this screen, I would see not only the annotation, and not only that, but I would also see that description that I entered. So the annotation you see on the trend, and it's in the details page that you will see the description. And of course, remember, this isn't just going to happen right now for this particular user using this particular copy of process book. Anybody in the company that opens up this batch reactor display or anything that has this trend on it, or this tag on it, will see that annotation.